So situations like this are ideal because you have, if you can see, you've got the lifeguard stand behind me, and then you've also got the pier behind that. So as far as the shifting goes, you can, if you were looking out a window, you can focus on the thing in between, which would be the lifeguard stand, and then the pier is the further one. So you shift from near to far, near to far, near medium to far, because you could hold your thumb up as well. And then I'm focusing on the thumb for close, the lifeguard stand for medium, and the pier for the far. So that's part of that shifting to help work all those muscles of the eye to help to really focus in and strengthen those so they can change the shape of the eyeball, which we talked about earlier with vision and how it actually works. And notice how you can see now you have the lifeguard stand and then you have the pier to the left there. So this is ideal for shifting from close. So if I have my thumb up like this, focus on my thumb, and as you look at it, you can focus on my thumb, then focus on the lifeguard stand. So thumb, lifeguard stand, and then shift all the way over to the pier in the distance, and then go backwards from the pier, lifeguard stand, to the thumb. Hopefully that's in focus for you. But this is a way to practice changing the dynamic aspects of your vision, because that's why a lens is no good for you, because it only fixes one specific focal point. This way, you're stimulating up close with the thumb, medium range with the lifeguard stand, and then in the distance, you've got the pier right there. And then you can also do edging with this, because you can focus on the different angles of the lifeguard stand. If you're in a room, obviously you would focus on the room, different corners of the room, the lines in the room that we talked about. But it's something that's really, really, really helpful. I hope that you found these videos useful and helpful as far as the training for the different exercises you can do. So now we're going to go back inside and we're going to talk some more about how to get natural vision correction through nutrition. All right.